Welcome back. The download is still continuing, but it's almost over now. So let me show you that. Right, while the installation was on, this popped up. The Windows Defender Firewall has blocked some features of this app. The Windows Defender Firewall has blocked some features of Apache HTTP serving on all public and private networks. Allow Apache HTTP server to communicate on these networks. Private networks such as home, public networks such as those in airports and coffee shop, not recommended because these networks often have little or no security. It's only trying to warn me to not allow Apache to be able to access the internet because I might get hacked or something. But I use the internet from my phone, so I use my internet at home. I don't use public Wi-Fi or routers, so it's not. If you observe, it's not checked for private networks such as my home or work network, but it's checked for public networks. So I'll click allow access. From my experience, when it shows this security alert issues, it's almost when it's the installation is almost up or done. So here's another, and we're going to click allow access again. So it's almost over. The installation is trying to open a page online. That's the URL of the page. My internet is not connected. I'm not connected to the web, so that's why we're having trouble finding that site. It's just an appreciation of installing an appreciation from Bitnami or about installing XAMPP on your computer. So it's not something important. So it says it's creating uninstaller. It's 25% done. It's 75% done. It's now creating the uninstaller, and that's a separate execution file for removing XAMPP from my computer, right? And now it's over. So completing the XAMPP setup wizard. Setup has finished installing XAMPP on your computer. Do you want to start the control panel now? I'm not gonna click yes to that. I can just click finish with do you want to start the control panel now, checked. This is checked by default, so after installation, if I just click finish, it's going to the XAMPP's control panel will pop up, but I don't want to do that now, so I'm going to uncheck it because I still want to install amps and ports. The port, I think it's port 8030 or port 80 rather, were being used by XAMPP, so amps won't be able to do that, and then it will botch my amps installation, so I don't want that happening. So I'm just going to click finish and leave that as it is. So nothing's going to happen if you observe. So but now let's proceed with the amps installation. So next will be to install the amps software.